Guys, it's BC here with Give Me Signs, a channel that helps you go from design all the way to the customer's hand with your brand. So in this video, we're going to talk about another giveaway that we are collaborating with HIIPOO Inks. They are a sublimation ink company. I actually did a review on them up here. You can check out. They reached back out to me and they are actually giving away $400 in supplies to 8 different winners on the 18th. Is it the 18th? I believe. Yeah, there's 20 days left. There's 20 days left on the thing. I have it up here on the screen. I'm going to put a link down below on how to enter, and I'm going to show you how to enter here in a second. Before I get to that, guys, if you could hit the like and subscribe if the content's been good for you, if you've been enjoying and getting things out of this channel. It always helps us know what content's working and it lets us grow. So if you could do that, that'd be great. And also head on over to Heat Press Creators. We have a Facebook group that is free to join. And we actually have another giveaway for a coffee mug over there. So anyway, let's just talk about this giveaway though on this one. So this is a great giveaway, guys. They're giving away an Epson 2720 printer with a full set of HIIPOO Sublimation Inks. So you're getting a whole thing ready to go, and they're going to give it to 8 winners around the world. So there's already a lot of entries, but there's we're collaborating with a few other YouTube channels and also with HIIPOO. And the way you do it is that you click the link below in the description, guys. It will take you to this web page, and if you scroll down, guys, if you scroll down right here, you'll see visit Give Me Signs YouTube channel with a +1 on there. So I know this sounds kind of counterintuitive, but what you do is click that link, find that link down there, you click the +1 and visit us, and then it will allow you to go back and put in your email address so that you can enter to win one of these Epson 2720 printers with sublimation inks ready to go. So if you want to enter, guys, again, click the link down below, and it's for an Epson 2720 plus a full set of HIIPOO Sublimation Inks. It's like a $400 value, and they are going to be choosing 8 winners on the 18th of March, which is about 20 days from now. So you have plenty of time to enter. We hope that you enter. As I said before, HIIPOO Inks, if you check out that review, great inks, guys. They're a great affordable way for you to guys to start getting into some home sublimation printing. And I hope you enter. And I wish you all luck. I hope that all of you get a good chance of winning. And I will see you in the next video.